आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Our question is, in the figure shown, sine of C is equal to cos of D. If C is equal to 3y minus 17 and D is equal to 7y minus 17, what is the value of y? And the options are A 3.3, B 5.3, C 10.3 and D 12.3. So now our solution will be, as we know in the given figure, these two are the triangles containing the angles C and D, and this line is a perpendicular line on this line. So if we name this figure, that is A, B, C and D, then BD is the line perpendicular on AC. So this angle is 90, and angle DAB is of the measure C and DCB is of the measure D. So now we are given these two conditions, that is sine C is equal to cos D and the values of C and D in terms of y, and we are required to calculate the value of y. So now we know that in a right angle triangle, that is triangle ABD is a right angle triangle at angle B. So the other two angles, that is angle C and this angle, that is ADB, are acute angles, because in any right angled triangle, the other two angles are acute angles. So now angle C and angle D are acute angles in their triangles respectively, in their respective triangles, that is triangle ABD and triangle BDC according to the figure which we have denoted, that is triangle ABD contains angle C and triangle BDC contains angle D. So these two angles are acute angles because both these triangles are right angled triangles. So now for the acute angles, we know the property that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, where theta is an acute angle. So this property we know, and we are given the condition that sine C is equal to cos D. So sine C can be written as cos 90 minus C, which is equal to cos D according to this condition. So 90 minus C will be equal to D, because the ratios are equal, so angles will also be equal, that is 90 minus C will be equal to D, and putting the values of C and D as given above, that is C is 3y minus 17 and D is 7y minus 16. So putting these values in this equation, we get 90 minus 3y minus 17 is equal to 7y minus 16. Solving it further, 90 minus 3y plus 17 is equal to 7y minus 16. Now shifting the y terms on one side and the constant terms on the other side, we get minus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 16 minus 17 minus 90. So minus 10y is equal to minus 123, negative sign gets cancelled. So therefore y becomes 123 by 10 and hence it is 12.3. So our answer is the value of y is 12.3, and according to the given options, our option D is correct.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।